In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on Microsoft Teams. If you've ever wanted to communicate more effectively in Microsoft Teams by using strike through text to show updates or corrections, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. First things first, let's navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Here you'll need to sign in using your account. This might seem like a straightforward step, but ensuring you're logged into the right account is crucial for accessing your chats and utilizing the strike-through feature within them. Once you're logged in, your next move is to head over to the chat section. Teams is designed with collaboration in mind, so you'll find navigating to your specific chat quite intuitive. Just look for the chat icon on the left-hand side of your screen and click on it. This action will bring up your list of ongoing conversations. Identify and click on the chat where you want to add strike-through text. This could be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Finding the right conversation is key as it sets the stage for you to begin formatting your messages. Now within your chosen chat, you'll see the plus icon near the bottom. Clicking this icon is your gateway to more message formatting options, including the strike-through function. It's a small step that unlocks a lot of potential for customizing your messages. After clicking the plus icon, you'll want to click on Show Formatting Options. This expands the text input area and reveals a toolbar filled with formatting options such as bold, italic, and of course, strike through. This is where the real fun begins. Type in your message as you normally would. There's no need to format it just yet. Simply get your thoughts into the chat box. Whether it's a sentence or a paragraph, writing it out first lets you focus on your message before formatting it. To apply the strike through, you'll need to highlight the text you want to format. An efficient way to do this is by double-clicking on the word or text. If you're formatting a sentence or a larger block of text, click and drag your mouse across the text to highlight it. Lastly, look for the strike-through icon in the toolbar above the text input area. It's usually represented by an S with a line through it. Once you find it, click on it and voila, your text will now have a line running through it, indicating that it's been struck through. This visual cue can communicate updates, corrections, or modifications within your message, making your communication more dynamic and clear. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to use strike-through text in Microsoft Teams to enhance your messages and make your communication more effective. Whether you're managing projects, sharing updates, or simply making corrections, this feature can be a powerful tool in your messaging arsenal. Remember, it's all about making your communication as clear and effective as possible, so play around with the strike-through feature and see how it can improve your interactions on Microsoft Teams. Happy messaging!